Hey there, Roger Burnley here, and I've been coaching for more than 25 years, and what I do with my clients is I'm giving them exercises all the time to be able to improve their voices, and that's what I'm going to give you here. First of all, I want to tell you a little quick story. I happened to catch a documentary on Frank Sinatra, one of the greatest singers of all time, and this was on HBO. It's called All or Nothing at All. If you can find it, I advise you to watch it. It was great. And Frank said that at some point he was told early in his career that he needed to take vocal lessons so he could sing better. So he found a coach. He went to this guy 3 times a week to take these lessons, and he said he couldn't wait to get there. And he said the main thing that he discovered was that you can't fall back in your throat. He says you've got to keep your sound in the mask. And if you watch videos of Frank, you see where he demonstrates that so beautifully. And so I'm going to give you a little exercise where you can start to feel this and start to sing like Frank Sinatra. Anyway, so let me show you a little bit of this. Okay. Hey, I'm right here. Hey, hey. So, and the other thing that I want you to see, and when you find some videos of Frank, even when he was much older, you'll see where his placement always stayed in this really great place, which is why he was able to maintain his voice when he was still in his 70s and still performing. So I know this is going to inspire you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, click this button right here. And I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. If you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button, so instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, comment, let me know if there are any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.